What's good, YouTube? Alex on the cam, back here with another video, guys. Today we got another lit video for you guys. We got another lit one. Look, y'all, it's the first time I'm fading my hair. I am scared than a bitch. Okay, I was so scared to do this. This is my first time fading my hair. You see me, I'm over here praying up in this motherfucker. You feel me? Up in there motherfucker, okay? But as you guys can see, I'm starting off with my guideline. I watched a whole lot of YouTube videos before I even started to fade my hair or even got the confidence to do this. I watched a lot of videos, okay? If you guys are trying to learn how to fade your hair right now and you're watching this video, please do not use this as a reference, okay? This is my first time doing it. So we gonna see how it turns out, you feel me? You guys let me know in the comment section down below how it turned out at the end, because I will be revealing how it came out at the end. Right now, it's gonna be looking a little rough. You guys gonna see it's gonna be looking a little rough, all right? But bear with me. This is my first time doing it, and I wanted to record it for y'all, okay? So y'all like, comment, subscribe, enjoy the video, and I'll be guiding you guys through all what I did, basically, okay? So I just got done finishing the baseline, or whatever you call it, the guideline. I'm doing a bald fade, all right? So what I did was take these clippers, I opened it up, all right? That's closed, that's open, boom, all right? I opened up the clippers. I went like a ½ inch up, as you guys can see, and so far it's looking like I'm doing the fade right. Can y'all agree or what? I think I'm doing the fade right now. I was taking my time, y'all. I was being very steady, having a really, really fine hand. Now what I'm doing is closing the clippers so I can blend out that line. You feel me? Y'all see the line just disintegrating? Yeah. Yeah. A little tip I want to tell you guys through all this, if you guys are still using my video as a reference, take your time, you guys. If it's your first time fading your hair, take your time. Don't overthink it, because trust me, I knew if I rushed through all this, man, my hair would have been jacked up, boy. But so far it's looking good. All right, so this next clip, I'm taking my wall clippers with the guard. I think it's a 1 guard. I can't even remember. It's the lowest guard that I have, and I go against the grain. You feel me? I go up with it. This was probably like the most hardest part for me, because I couldn't see shit like what I was doing, to be quite honest with y'all. Like, this little mirror that I was using wasn't doing the job. I realized I need to get a bigger mirror. But you guys see that I have like a little patchiness, but it's all good. I clean that up, all right? I end up cleaning that up, so it's all good. You see me going down with the grain now? I'm just trying to blend. Fading, I realize it's all about blending, you feel me? Really trying to get the right length of hair cut, you feel me? It's really an art, you feel me? I really enjoyed fading my hair, you guys. This was a fun process. I encourage you guys, especially through this quarantine, if any guys out there, you know, is used to getting their hair cut by a barber, learn yourself. You guys see, this is like the little final product. I feel like I was done. I just needed to shower, and that's about it. But now I'm about to show you guys the final product. So I'm out. YouTube! Alright, so I just got done finishing my hair completely. I need you guys to seriously give me your raw judgment. I'm asking for it, okay? Be blunt. You know, say your opinion, okay? This is my first time trying to fade my hair in my whole entire life. You guys let me know how I did. I completely retwisted my hair now and everything is finished. So I'm excited to show you guys the finished product. You guys let me know, okay? Please let me know your raw judgment, alright? I'm about to reveal it. Can I get a drum roll, please? Damn, I did that fast as fuck. Alright, y'all, let me just show y'all the hair. Okay. No, okay. Y'all probably was like, Alex, you're showing the dreads, okay? First of all, you gotta show appreciation to the dreads, okay? The dreads looking fresh right now, alright? But it's time to show you guys the fade. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I should brush my hair. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Alright, so now I can show you guys the hair when it's brushed, like the fade. The lineup is pretty clean to me, okay? Rate the lineup and also rate the fade. I need to give y'all a 360, okay? So, bear with me. Oh yeah. Alright, so I don't know how it's looking in the back, to be quite honest, but honestly, I'm gonna give myself, truly for my first time, an 8 out of 10. Because I didn't have the right clippers. Y'all saw I had to, you know, switch up the clippers. So you guys gotta count that, okay? I try to wing it. And on top of that, look at the dreads. Look at the dreads. Overall, I think I did a pretty good job. I'm very satisfied with the results. I'm going to try it again. I'm gonna keep on practicing, getting my little skills right, and I'm telling you, I'm gonna be up in the barbershop over here like, hey, you wanna get a fade, my nigga? No, I'm playing, you guys. Hey, you guys let me know your raw opinion. I really need you guys to be honest. Let me know how I did for my first time fading my hair. I think I did a pretty good job. I ain't gonna count, nigga. Hey, smash that like button for me down below. Also subscribe to the channel if you're new. Join the crew. You already know what to do, baby boo. Shoot. Oh, on the road to 10K. We are grinding. We gonna get there, okay? And we just gonna run this bag up. You feel me? I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for all the support. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I'm out. Later.